There's Teddy and he's having a little walk, but we're actually down the river today to collect some branches to revamp the Parrot playroom. So that's what we're going to be doing now. We're going to be looking for some big branches. So let's go. We went down the river and as I said to you, we needed to get some new branches. So I found this one, and as you can see it's all different shapes, so I'm quite pleased about that. And then on the floor we've got another one. So I'm hoping that it's actually going to work how I visualise it. This is the problem. I visualise it and it don't always go to how I want it. So we're going to clean the branch up and then we're going to start recreating the playroom. So far, so good. I don't know if you can see it. Let me show you. My messy playroom at the moment because I'm doing things. But I've got this and it goes all the way along. So, hello Nora. And Albert's the one to try it out. So it goes all the way along. And it's a different shape because they're getting bored of the things in the playroom. So need to mix it up a little bit, I think. What do you think? So far so good. I'm visualising. Bella, I'm videoing. So far, so good. I think Albert's really loving the new tree.
I've done enough for today.
So far in the playroom I've managed to do the stand, as you can see. Oh, okay. Albert, where are you going? As you can see, so it's got all toys and that hanging, and yeah, and it's different. Obviously this space here I'm going to put something so they can reach the toys. As you can see, at the moment they can't reach the toys, so I'm going to put something along here as well. But this is our new little play area bit, because this is the tree branches that I got from the river, and they've worked out really well. Lola's loving it. Barney's not so sure. Hello Nora. And there's Humphrey over there. And as you saw, Albert just rushed out of the playroom, and Rio's out of the playroom at the moment as well. So I just wanted to show you my update. Shh.
Do it.